Oh yeah, there it is, my MHG-2000a. Too bad these aren't available anymore. They replaced them with a new and improved one. What they are, for those of you who don't know, hydrogen gas ventilator. So it's pretty cool. Instead of, I know this looks a little goofy right here, but hey, you can't beat it. If you're going to inhale hydrogen gas, just turn my machine on here. The only way to do it is hydrogen gas made through electrochemistry by water. That's the gas that your body really likes. Forget all these other gimmicks. You know, the gimmicks are cheap. You get what you pay for. This ain't cheap. There again, you get what you paid for. There's just a nice little machine right there. Makes the gas. All you use is a little distilled water up here. It's a little tap water. Of course, we got a little bit better than tap water. We use our Esprit water in there. And then it produces the hydrogen gas and lets it go through this tube, and you just sit here and relax while you're working. I have mine in my office. You know, you just relax and you just breathe it. It's that simple. You know, we're into hydrogen water, ionic water, where we get a lot of active dissolved hydrogen from electrochemistry into our water, but you got to have an on-demand unit for that too. So the thing about hydrogen gas inhalers, the generators, is a lot of them are kind of on a dangerous side. And don't get fooled by numbers. In electrochemistry, numbers mean everything. The greater the number doesn't always mean the greater the product. Sometimes too much is too much. And so everything with the human body is regulated to a specific amount. So this generator here, the only one on the market that is engineered just for the human body perfectly. And it's engineered so that it's non-dangerous. There's no risk of explosion with this generator whatsoever. The only one on the market that can say that. And the video would be way too long on why. We got all the technical information on that. So this is the top of the line. It's the best you can get. It's Japanese technology, the same manufacturing company that we use for our other great products like Esprit and Chlororgano and stuff like that. This is the same company. It's the same engineers. It's the same great equipment. Anybody who's ever bought any of our equipment will tell you stuff is fantastic, never breaks, nothing ever goes wrong with it, delivers exactly what it's supposed to deliver. And this stuff here, I got into this a couple of years ago when they first started handling them. And it's fantastic. But now, what we're going to do is we're actually going to start offering them also. So, different programs for different people. Now, they're not cheap machines. I'm not going to say they're cheap machines at all. You can get El Cheapo stuff all day long online. But here again, you're getting what you pay for. If you want the top of the line, if you want a professional grade equipment that's going to run all the time and never have a problem with it, then you want to get this kind of stuff here. So anyway, stay tuned. More to come. It's awesome. I enjoy this. I just love hydrogen intake of all different kinds. And basically all the ones I get are from the same company anyway. So because I trust these guys. I've been with them for years and years. So anyway, there it is. I'll get one of the newer ones. You can tell the newer ones, they're black. The difference is they put out a little bit more hydrogen. The one before this put out half as much of this, then they upgraded to twice as much as that one. Now they got another unit that's twice as much as this one. So we're not actually selling this one, we're selling the newest one. Anyway, that's it. Palm Beach Springs Water Company, anything electrochemistry.